If you want to send GIFs on a Samsung S25, just start by opening your Messages application, going to your text conversation, and when you are here, you can just simply click on plus, and here you can find your GIFs. So you can just select any of the GIF that you want to send, just simply click here. It will be visible in this place. Additionally, you can add some text into this GIF and click on this icon. If you are using Messages application from Samsung, let me show you also how it works. Open conversation, then click on plus, find your GIFs. If you cannot find it just right here, then you can simply go in this place, and here you can find the GIFs. There we go. So click continue, and right now you can just find them and send, just like that. As you can see, that's actually quite simple.